Very nice stay, extremely nice accommodation. Best in Sendai. Best hotel near Sendai Station. Very nice stay and comfort. Hotel Sendai West. Extremely nice. Amazing place, great location, highly recommend. Near station. It's near station and convenience store. There are some shopping malls near station. We can back to hotel in short time after shopping. And, nice breakfast. Great amenities and amazing breakfast. Stay was relaxing and morning breakfast was good. The experience. My first impression was the hotel staff. They are so friendly and very pleasant. We had the breakfast buffet. It was quite nice but wasn't a big spread. In 2021 they had a really big breakfast buffet. The room is quite small. Bathtub is too small. But overall satisfied, thumbs up. Near Sendai Station. Stay was comfortable. Near Sendai Station. Near Daiso and Don Quixote. Breakfast was good. Large business hotel. Good, standard Japanese breakfast options plus cereal and smoothies. Just a few minutes walk from Sendai Station West exit. Staff lovely. Coffee and water available throughout the afternoon. On the other side of this, bathrooms smaller than the usual small bathrooms. Rooms small. I'd stay here if I had to again. Nice and convenient hotel. Location very good. Hotel is very clean. Free coffee, washing machine room, locker, and breakfast takeaway box. All the above settings show the caring of customers. Very happy stay.